A bond that matures in 7 years sells for 1,020. Bond has a face value of 1,000 and a yield to maturity of 10.5883%. The bond pays coupon semi-annually. What is the bond's current yield? So what we know here is this bond has a value right now at time zero of 1,020. It makes a series of payments for the next 7 years semi-annually, so a total of 14 payments, and returns $1,000 in addition to the last coupon payment on maturity. We're trying to figure out what is the cash payment that results in an NPV of 0. We've already taken the liberty of using the NPV function where we use the yield to maturity of 10.5883%, but semi-annually. And we have those cash flows, including the cash outflow at time 0. So what we're then trying to find out is what cash payment results in an NPV of 0. Now what we could do is just guess a payment here. So we could put something in, like say $50. Then we see we get actually pretty close. So we could do this a couple ways. We could use the NPV function in the what if analysis and use goal seek. And we're going to set that value to a value of 0 by changing our payment. Now the problem here is that these are all going to change at once, and sometimes what happens is Excel can't handle this. We see it comes out to $55. So this payment is $55, and that results in a payment of 0. You can also use the payment function. So we also see we get a payment of $55. Now that's only the first part, is finding the payment. Then to get to the current yield, we have to understand the relationship. So the current yield is equal to the coupon payment divided by the present value. Another way to say this is the present value, or the present value divided by the coupon yield gives us the coupon payment, or the coupon payment divided by the coupon yield, and so forth. So we know our payment now is $55, and we know there's a present value of 1,020. And what this is going to do is give us the current yield. We take the payment divided by the, need to multiply that times 2, and divide that by the present value. The reason why we multiplied it by 2 is to account for the annual coupon premium, or coupon payment. So what this is telling us is that the current, if we bought this bond, we would have a current yield, or the bond would have there's a current yield of 10.78%.